How to fix no signal issues in phone 4a. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off flight mode, open setting, scroll down, click on network at internet. Now here you will see airplane mode, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinsert SIM card. After reinsert SIM card, reset network setting, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting, click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix no signal issues in phone 4a. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.